Hey, this is Brian. This is the Vitamix Explorer series blender. As you can see, the food cup comes off, of course. It's got the nice rubberized handle. I'm going to show you this to you in its features, but first I'm going to go ahead and do that while go ahead and making a smoothie here. I've got some frozen berries and I've got some orange juice here. I'm putting in some yogurt, and this is the top here with the rubber gasket, and this is the food stirring plastic part as well. This just goes in the top and also make sure the food's not going to come out the top. That's the pouring spout, and you've got the measurements on the side here. So this is the on-off switch, this is the speed dial here, and this is the variable pulse here. So you can use this if you're making like salsa. You can do low speed. I always start it off on a low pulse and a medium speed, and that just kind of starts off, and you can change it from there. So I'm just kind of mushing the berries into the bottom here, and you can turn it up. I have the speed up very high here. That's if you want a very thin consistency. And here I've turned up the pulse to very high. So I've just kind of let it sit in there a little bit, and that's with the consistency. I kind of like it thick just because I'm going to use a spoon or a straw if it melts. And you can kind of stir it with this food stirring stick here. And when you can go ahead and turn it off, take the food cup off, and pour it, or if you can't pour it, you can scoop it, and this is what we have at the end.